Hello students, today we are going to study what is a contour. Contour is defined as the science of representing the vertical dimension of a terrain on two-dimensional map. In this figure, a cone is shown and it is cut by means of so many horizontal planes. The point of intersections of the surface of the cone and the plane cutting the cone, if joined, they will be forming concentric circles. These concentric circles can be imagined as the contours. If the difference in elevation between these planes is 1 meter, then these are the contours of 4 meters, 3 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter, 0 meter, and so on. You can implement the same thing on a hill. A hill is imagined to be cut with so many horizontal planes of elevations 10 meter, 20 meter, 30, 40 and 50 meter and so on with respect to some datum. This is a contour of 50 meter, means it is a line joining the points of elevation 50 meter. This is a contour of 40 meter. So a line joining points of all elevation 40 meters. So these are the contours of a hill. What is meant by contouring? The process of tracing contour lines on the surface of earth is called contouring. Why we need to do it? Contour survey is carried out at the starting of any engineering project such as road, a railway, a canal, dam or a building project, etc. Contouring is done for the following purposes. For preparing contour maps in order to select the most economical or suitable site. To locate the alignment of a canal so that it should follow a ridge line. To mark the alignment of roads and railways so that the quantity of earthwork both in cutting and filling should be minimum. There are certain definitions of contour which we need to study. Contour is an imaginary outline of the terrain obtained by joining its points of equal elevation. Contour interval. Contour interval is the difference between the levels of consecutive contour lines on a map. Contour interval should be kept constant. Horizontal equivalent. Horizontal equivalent is the horizontal distance between two consecutive contour lines measured to the scale of the map. Gradient. Gradient represents the ascending or descending slope of the terrain between two consecutive contour lines. The slope or gradient is usually stated in the format 1 in S, where 1 represents the vertical component of the slope, S its corresponding horizontal component, measured in the same unit. The gradient between two consecutive contour lines can also be expressed in terms of tangent of theta, which is equal to ratio of contour interval to horizontal equivalent, Ci upon He. Both should be measured in the same unit. A contour showing contour lines is known as a contour map. A contour map gives an idea of altitude of the surface, features as well as their relative positions in plan, serves the purpose of both a plan and a section. Observe the contours of a hill. The characteristics of the contours of a hill are shown in this figure. We find that the contours of lower value, for example 100, are outside, and as we go inside, the value of the contour goes on increasing. 500 meter is the tip of the hill. So the value of the contour increases as we go inside for a hill. What are the uses of a contour? The nature of ground and its slope can be estimated. The earthwork can be estimated for civil engineering projects like road works, railway, canals, dams, etc. It is possible to identify suitable site for any project from the contour map of the region. Intervisibility of points can be ascertained using contour maps. This is most useful for locating communication towers. Military also uses contour maps for strategic purpose. Thank you.